Welcome to the Cryoto's Maintenance Management Podcast, where we dive deep into the world of maintenance, bringing you the latest trends, technologies, and expert insights. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're exploring an exciting topic: vibration analysis in predictive maintenance. Joining us is Alex, a renowned expert in maintenance management and IoT. Welcome to the show, Alex.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. It's great to be here to discuss how vibration analysis is revolutionizing predictive maintenance.
Let's start at the beginning. Alex, could you explain to our listeners what predictive maintenance is and why it's so important?
Absolutely, Bruce. Predictive maintenance is a proactive approach that uses data analysis tools and techniques to detect anomalies in equipment operation and potential defects before they fail. This approach is crucial because it helps prevent downtime, reduces maintenance costs, and extends the lifespan of machinery.
That sounds like a game changer for maintenance management. How does vibration analysis fit into this approach?
Vibration analysis is a key component of predictive maintenance. By monitoring the vibrations in machinery, we can identify patterns that signify wear and tear or misalignments before they lead to breakdowns. It's like giving a voice to the machines, allowing them to tell us when something's wrong.
Fascinating. Can you share some practical applications and benefits of vibration analysis?
Sure. In manufacturing, it can detect imbalances in rotating machinery, preventing bearing failures that could shut down production lines. In automotive, it can identify problems in engines, transmissions, and wheel bearings, ensuring vehicle safety and performance. And in energy, it can monitor turbines, generators, and pumps, preventing outages that disrupt power supplies. The benefits are substantial, including improved reliability, reduced maintenance costs, and increased operational efficiency.
With such clear advantages, are there any challenges that organizations face when implementing vibration analysis?
Like any technology, there are challenges. One of the main hurdles is the initial investment in sensors and analytics software. There's also a learning curve in interpreting vibration data. However, the long-term savings and efficiency gains far outweigh these initial challenges.
Looking ahead, how is the Internet of Things impacting vibration analysis?
IoT sensors can continuously monitor vibrations and transmit data wirelessly. This allows for real-time monitoring, remote diagnostics, and even automated alerts for potential issues.
Alex, it's been incredibly insightful talking with you. Thank you for sharing your expertise with us today.
My pleasure, Bruce. Thank you for having me. I hope your listeners find vibration analysis as exciting and essential as we do in the maintenance world.
To our listeners, thank you for tuning in to the Cryoto's Maintenance Management Podcast. We hope you found today's episode enlightening. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the maintenance industry. Until next time, keep your operations running smoothly and efficiently.